Ki Pulit ke East Khasi Hills minta ke janmian, jong ke santerig unai lor arja apusan, hakapor arshiteng, kila yo banbat ya lightly ki kali remdor, kum ke Scorpio Innova bat ke Audi, ki bata yit yong, ki bapinyeng hakmat ke dukan shopper stop, bat ki bladai try du ban shems naitang. Ha katala si ki kali, ki Pulit kila yo ban kurup ya santli ki airgun, artli ki air pistol, Riutli ki magazine pouches, artli ki laptop, bat ki walkie-talkie. Nakaliang ki Pulit kila no ikite ki kali, yu utrai kali, bat ya baro khat arngut ki nongbut, jong Shasadar police station ban Tohkit benya.
And all that. And all these vehicles are owned by one Shems Naitang, 25 years. He is a resident of Boxer, and he has been taking these people moving around with siren, with tinted glass and all that. So the motive behind it will be further established after we have investigated and all that. Apparently, it appears that this person, Nebansham Snaitang, is using 12 people, if 12 people dressed in black and carrying those kind of weapons, probably with a motive to intimidate, probably with an motive to show that he is probably in a position of power, so that he could either influence, intimidate, or get his way through. So that is what preliminary findings indicate. But yet we will actually have an in-depth investigation into the matter, and then we can ascertain as to what is really the purpose of carrying 12 people, tinted glass, siren, and all that, and these are all illegal. Regarding air pistols and all that, if you use an air pistol, it's either to be kept at home and only to be used in certain places which is probably if it's in a forested area and all that, but you cannot carry them publicly. The purpose of carrying these type of guns, they are not conventional air pistols. Now we need to see the caliber of these air pistols also, for which we'll have to send to the forensic laboratory. Coupled with the outfit they are wearing and the magazine pouches and the walkie-talkies and tinted glass, these combined in combination and all that have a different motive altogether. So which demands and compels further investigation. The individual worker, I haven't come across any social worker who dresses or who walks around with 12 men in an intimidating manner. So I totally beg to differ with you beg to differ with that kind of a stand that the person is a social worker. I mean, you don't walk around with those kind of weapons. So it demands further investigation. Right now, it's just
13 men were
12 men plus with this other accused Meghalaya Snaitang.
So total 13 men were arrested.
Yes. And how many we are yet to register the case and all that. Right now, other formalities are going on. So probably intimidation, arms act, impersonation of police personnel.
Arms Act of 2016.
Yes.
And
Latest Arms Act.
yeah, and something like that.
That it appears to be like that. Now, why? Like I said, why would a person move around with 12 people that also who act like henchmen and with weapons inside and magazine pouches? I mean,
Specifically parked opposite Secretariat entry gate. Is there any specific reason why that location? Because he parked the vehicle there.
Yes, we yet to ascertain actually why he parked out there. Whether he was really going for shopping in shopper stop. I will get to know once the investigation team updates me on that regarding why they parked actually just near the secretariat.
So can anybody?
Private security. Number one is we have to ascertain whether now if you're private security, they always have the name of the security agency, and there's nothing which shows whether they are from any security agency and all that. There's nothing. The air pistols, air guns, on being asked by those men, they said that has been given by the owner only. Usually the security agency provides all that. So we need also to ascertain whether they are affiliated with any security agency or any other organization also.
This do you?
At first, at first glance, and on preliminary investigation, doesn't appear that he belongs to any band outfit or to any underground and all that. The motive is I think is different, but nonetheless, we will actually we'll investigate into all matters, all quarters and all that.
How sophisticated is the weapon? Because see, looking at it, we were confused. What is it?
Exactly. For the common man, not that, yes, they would, anybody seeing that kind of weapon by people dressed in black, people with magazine pouches, even for a person also who actually uh, knows weaponry also, but seeing that those kind, because they are not conventional air guns or air pistols. If you look at the air pistol, it looks like a 9mm, or it looks like a 9mm Browning. So these look very much like semi-automatic or automatic weapons and all that. Nobody will think that they are conventional weapons. By the look of it, it looks intimidating, and so that itself is indicates a wrongful motive.
To us, he was telling that he is a leader of an JMC something.
GMC.
See, I'm yet to get all these facts and all that, because the team is still investigating and they are still doing many other things which we need to ascertain. And whether he is affiliated with this organization or that organization, that will.
So apparently, it appears he is a wealthy man who can employ 12 men, get the air guns.
I think that speaks for itself, because three vehicles and all that, 12 men, and I think much more assets will be there. So probably the sources of income also could be there.
Is he?
They will be questioned thoroughly. What is the motive? Why, if he is actually apprehensive of anything, what is he apprehensive of? He must be if it's apprehensive, then there must be something he's apprehensive of. If he has another motive of using them, then we will come to know in due course of time.
When are you going to produce him to the court?
At the earliest, within 24 hours only.
So is it that psychologically he wants to prove that just to show that I have power?
Exactly, it's more probably we are looking at that. I mean, preliminary investigation. It appears to be that, like, he has authority, and he has, if you're using a siren, you're using tinted glasses. Only certain categories, only Z categories are Z plus that are allowed to use, and certain unless you have got permission from the government, you can use tinted glass. Nobody can use tinted glass. Why? Even myself and all other officers in this office, we cannot use tinted glass. But certain categories have, because of the security threat. So if this person is using that, he is trying probably to project the world outside, then he is somebody. And if you're projecting that, that means you might be having a motive. And having 12 men around you, not only does it doesn't exude fear, and but also or psychosis, but also in case you have any deal and all that, you ensure that it is enforced because of the muscle men around you.